In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Facebook ads videos with Google Vids. Creating engaging and professional videos for your Facebook ads doesn't have to be a daunting task, especially with tools like Google Vids at your disposal. Google Vids simplifies the process, making it accessible even to those without prior video editing experience. Let's walk through the steps to create your very own Facebook ads video. First things first, navigate to Google Vids. You can easily find this by searching for Google Vids on your preferred search engine, or by entering the web address directly into your browser's address bar. Upon arriving at the site, you'll be greeted with a clean, user-friendly interface. The next step is to sign in to your Google account. Look for the Sign In button, usually located in the upper right corner of the website. This ensures that you can save your work and access Google Vids' full suite of features. If you don't have a Google account, you might want to take a moment to create one. It's straightforward and opens up a plethora of useful tools and services. Once you've clicked Sign In, choose your Google account from the list. If your account doesn't appear, you'll need to log in by entering your Google account email and password. Make sure you choose the account you want to use for creating your videos, especially if you have multiple Google accounts. Now, with access to Google Vids secured, your next action is to start a new project. Look for the File menu to open a drop-down list where New Video should be your selection. This choice is the first real step into the video creation process, marking the transition from preparation to actual creation. With a new project initiated, it's time to define what your video is about. This tutorial focuses on creating videos for Facebook ads, so type Facebook ads into the search or prompt area. This action instructs Google Vids to generate templates, images, and even video suggestions tailored to Facebook advertising, streamlining your creative process. After you've input your focus, in this case Facebook ads, click on the Next button to proceed. Here you'll be presented with options or suggestions on the layout and structure of your video. Google Vids uses your input to recommend the most relevant templates and themes that resonate with Facebook advertising aesthetics and requirements. By now you should see a variety of layouts and templates. Take your time to edit the arrangement to your preference. The interface allows you to drag and drop elements, resize components, and adjust timings, ensuring your creative vision for the ad comes to life. Don't rush through this step. Consider how your brand and message best align with the visual elements you're selecting. Once you are satisfied with the arrangement, hit Next to proceed to the design phase. Here, Google Vids gives you the option to select a starting design. This feature is especially useful as it provides you with a sturdy foundation to build upon, ensuring your video is not only eye-catching but also cohesive. At this stage, you're almost at the finish line. After tweaking your design and ensuring everything is in perfect alignment with your brand and the message you intend to convey, it's time to create the draft video. Click on Create the Draft Video to compile all the elements you've chosen into a cohesive preview. Google Vids will process your selections, combining them into a draft that you can review. Take a moment to review your draft. This is your opportunity to make sure everything looks as expected. The draft isn't final, so if anything needs adjusting, whether it's the text, timing, images, or even the overall flow, this is the perfect time to fine-tune. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through Google Vids to create a video for your Facebook ads. Remember, the secret to a compelling ad lies not only in high-quality visuals, but also in how effectively it communicates your message. Feel free to experiment with different designs, arrangements, and content until you find the perfect match for your campaign. Creating videos for Facebook ads using Google Vids doesn't have to be complicated. With the steps we've walked through today, you're well on your way to producing attention-grabbing content that speaks to your audience and elevates your brand on social media platforms. Don't be afraid to experiment and explore the various features Google Vids offers. After all, creativity is limitless. Thank you for joining me today. Dive into Google Vids and start creating your own stunning Facebook ads videos. Happy creating!